Several high-end motor cars seized in Drax Country Club and Vista Delmar in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A joint police military team has carried out various raids in Drax Country Club and Vista Delmar in St. Anne's, where several high-end vehicles have been seized by the police. The seizure include a white BMW motor car and a green BMW motor car estimated to worth millions of dollars. The police did not provide any more information as it relates to the case. However, they only state that the investigations are ongoing. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.